With this tool you can convert a truth table to a KV chart. The first thing is, here we have got a KV chart with the dimension 4 to 4. And then we go to the truth table. And here we have got 4 input variables. And here are the outputs. Now we have got an input box where we can select the output variable. We select output variable A, and output variable A goes from E2 till E17. Then we select it and click on OK. And then we change to the KV chart again. And we see the filled KV chart.